So, um, we'll start the 5-element disharmonies discussion with the generating sequence patterns. These are conditions of deficiency induced by the mother element. So first among the disharmonies, wood not generating fire. So if we relate this to organs, it's liver not nourishing the heart. This could lead to timidity, lack of courage, and this indecisions, palpitations, and insomnia. Next, among the disharmonies is fire not generating earth. So relating to the organs, this is a disharmony between the heart and the spleen. This could lead to loose stools, chilliness, weakness of the limbs. Next is earth not generating metal. This is a disharmony between the spleen and the lungs. This could lead to phlegm in the chest, cough, and tiredness. Next is metal not generating water. So this is a disharmony between the lung, which is the metal element, and the kidney. So this could lead to cough, breathlessness, loss of voice, and asthma. Next is water not generating wood. So this is a disharmony between the kidney and the liver. So this will present with dizziness, blurred vision, headaches, and vertigo. Okay. From the generating cycle disharmonies, we now go to the over-controlling sequence patterns. So first up is wood overacting on earth. So comparing to the organs, this is liver overacting on the spleen. So here we have hypochondrial or epigastric pain, feeling of distension, irritability, loose stools, poor appetite, and greenish face. Next is earth overacting on water, or spleen overacting on kidneys. So if this is the case, there will be edema, difficult urination, and a yellow face. If there is water overacting on fire or kidneys overacting on the heart, there will also be edema of ankles, backache, cold feeling, dizziness, expectoration of thin watery sputum, and palpitations. If the heart overacts on the lungs or fire overacting on metal, there will be cough with profuse yellow sputum, feeling of heat, and a red face. Lastly, there is metal overacting on wood, or liver or lung overacting on the liver. So this will present with tiredness, irritability, distension, cough, and a white face.